Hi Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for the month of September 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. Taurus, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. If this message does not resonate with you, Taurus, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. Any of those messages may resonate with you. On today's reading here, Taurus, we are going to be looking at both your energy and your person energy, as well as some channel messages towards the end of the reading. So stay tuned until the end of the reading to get some channel messages from your person. And let's start with the reading here, Taurus. On this side here is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. Again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the energy or the roles can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, Taurus, I'm getting a very strong fire sign. Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, water sign Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, as well as earth sign Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Looking into your energy here, Taurus, I'm getting a very strong heartbroken energy coming up here with this Three of Swords energy, and then I've also got the Eight of Swords energy coming in here as well. Mentally and emotionally feeling trapped, a lot of sadness and a lot of heartbroken energy is also another thing that I picked up here. And combined with this Five of Wands energy that I'm getting coming up here, Taurus, I'm also getting a very strong conflicts coming up here as well. Either inner conflict within yourself or some sort of like a conflict between you and your person, which is just leaving you feeling mentally and emotionally trapped or even like heartbroken. I'm getting like a lot of sadness, like the energy that I'm getting coming out from you here, Taurus, is that you want to shout. You just like want to shout. You just like want to, like shout and tell everyone about how much of pressure, how much of mental and emotional burden that you've been carrying up until this particular point of time. But you are in a position where, like I said before, feeling trapped, and you cannot do that. You cannot speak up for that here, and this is why I've got that very strong conflict energy coming up here. You just like want to shout. You just like want to release all of this pains, all of this burden, all of this sadness and heartbroken energy within yourself, but you have no idea how to do that. You don't know how to begin here. And then another thing that I've got coming out from you here, Taurus, is that you want to move. I'm also getting a very strong moving energy coming in here as well. So either you are planning to move into a different state or different country, or at this point of time between both of you and your person, that could be a physical distance. So this fight or this unnecessary misunderstanding or just like this conflict energy that I'm getting coming out from you here could be happening like a true long distance relationship. So overall energy that I'm getting coming out from you here, Taurus, is that mentally and emotionally feeling trapped. And the thing here is that you know what you need to be doing. Like I said before, you want to shout but you don't know how, or for some reason here, Taurus, that you have been living in a certain situation, or you have been like feeding up your mind here that you are not supposed to speak up, or you are not supposed to be honest and be open with your emotions. So what happens here is that you are just suppressing your emotion. You're just like piling up your emotion, which is now acting up as a time bomb. Like now everything wants to come out here, like everything that has been piling up for years, ever since your childhood, like everything is just like wanting to come out here, Taurus. And I feel like this is really important for you here to actually release those emotions. I feel like it's time for you here to break free from this feeling trapped and from this feeling stuck within yourself, within your mental and emotionally, I would say here, because the more that you are just like being trapped in this situation here, Taurus, the more this is just going to be affecting both your mental and emotional health, which is not going to be healthy for you here. And then another thing that I've got coming up here, especially with this sun energy here, like you have the power to go out there and just like choose which path that going to give you the ultimate happiness. So there are so many decisions that are coming up in your way here, Taurus, that you have to make it. Like this is something that you've been avoiding for quite a while, and now it's time for you here to actually go ahead and just like make a decision for yourself. Now let's look at into your person energy. Here is quite interesting because I've got the Hermit energy coming in here. Like I said before, some sort of like a conflict or communication blockage has been going on between both of you here, Taurus, and I feel like your person is actually taking some time off. So for those of you who are currently in no communication, who have gone through a certain fight with your person and then your person is going silent on you, I'm not really getting a very strong ghosting energy here, honestly, Taurus. I feel like this is just them trying to regain the balance, like trying to just like taking some time off for themselves here to just see what are the improvement on what are the things that they can improve within themselves. This is more of like the Hermit energy that I'm getting coming out from your person here, is that more of like they are wanting to focus on themselves here, and this energy, like this time and space apart, or like this temporary break, or at least this temporary quiet energy between both of you here, Taurus, is actually going to be quite beneficial for your person, because with this Ace of Cups energy coming up here, they're going to realize how much love and how much care that you have been putting to them, as well as how much love and care that they have for you here. So this is going to be like an eye-opening for both of you here. And then another thing that I've got coming up here is that with this Queen of Pentacles and the Four of Wands energy coming up here, this is a very strong union energy coming in here for you, for both of you here, Taurus. And then I've also got the Queen of Pentacles energy coming up here. They are definitely seeing you as their mother figure or father figure. Again, the gender does not matter, but the Queen of Pentacles energy coming up, I mean like the energy of the mother figure or father figure, this is more of like a nurturer. So it's like they are starting to realize like how much love and how much effort, how much care, I would say here, that you have been giving them here, Taurus. So looking into the channel messages coming up here from your person, I'm just going to pull one more. I've got you mean the world to me here. I've also got communication blockage. I've got emotional healing coming up here, and forgive and let go. So with this forgive and let go energy coming in here, your person actually, they are definitely going to coming, I mean like they are coming towards you here to ask for forgiveness and to apologize to you here, Taurus. And this is part of them here, like telling you about how much that they value you, how much that they love you. Another thing that I've got coming up here is that, especially with this you mean the world to me here, this is how they're feeling towards you, this is how they're seeing you at this point of time. And then this emotional healing, this is something that both of you have to do, I would say here, Taurus, because like I said before, you have a lot of suppressed emotion within yourself. You're feeling stuck and you're feeling trapped within your emotion, and on the other side here is that your person is also having certain things that they need to heal, certain things that they need to let go of themselves. This is one of the major cause of the communication blockage at this point of time between both of you here, Taurus. Okay, so that's it for your reading, Taurus. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your subscription and like and share your how this message resonates with you in the comment section. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.